Did you know that the Mystic Marriott Hotel and Spa is located near top attractions like the Mystic Aquarium? In today's video, I'll be giving you an exclusive room tour of this property, so stay tuned. We are going to 313. So as it is indicated right here, 301, so 328 is to my left, and then to my right is 330 to 372. Let's go. Alright, so let's open the door. This is how you would open your door, guys, with your key. You would just, put it against this thingy right here, and then when it turns green, then you know that alright, you can open it. So if it doesn't turn green, like orange or red, then you know that your key isn't working properly. Alright, let's go. So this is a king room. Let me just go ahead and flip the switch, turn on the lights. Alright, so this is what the bathroom looks like. So you have the shower right here. If you don't want to use the head shower, if that's what it's called, then you could turn it on first. Then after you turn it on, you're gonna press this to have the water come from this, right? And then of course they have shower gel. Let me focus that. Yeah, so they have shower gel, hair conditioner, shampoo, and as it relates to the door, so this is a sliding door. Some bathrooms though, they have tubs, right? So some bathrooms they have tub instead of the sliding glass door. So not all bathrooms, or better yet, not all rooms will have a bathroom that has the sliding door. And then of course you have the toilet right there. You have this beautiful background against the toilet. Not every room will have this, like this thing behind the toilet section specifically. And then you have the bin right there, tissue, foot towel. They also give you an extra tissue, the blow dryer. And then you get your towels. If you need extra towels, then you could request that. So they give you 3 big towels, then 3 smaller, then 3 washcloth, okay? Also, you get the soap. Usually they'll give you a lotion, but I don't know what's happening. This is a body wash. They give you cups, they give you tissue, and then of course that's the mirror, and then that's me again. Hi. Also, they give you this privacy please sign. So if it's a case where you're staying at the property, and you don't want them to come and clean your room, or you don't want anything, you don't want to be disturbed any at all, then you just take this off and you put it on the outside, right? To let them know that, hey, we don't want any service, all right? All right, so now I'm going to show you the closet. So this is the closet. You have regular hangers right here. You have ones that with the clips or whatever you call them. You have laundry bag. You have an iron board. You also have an iron right there. And if you're police, or if you plan to take a lot of money with you and you want to store it safely, then you can store it in here. Then you have that section up there. Okay, so this is the bedroom, and you have another mirror right here. And here it's kind of dark. Let me turn on the lights. The thing is, the sun isn't kicking so much because usually in here would be so much brighter, but because the sun isn't kicking and then that big tree is just blocking everything, then in here it's kind of dark. But as for the bedroom, let me go back to this section. As for the bedroom, you know, this is a nice king bed. You get 4 pillowcase. If it's a case where you need extra pillows, then you would have to request it. And then you have a lamp right there. You also have a drawer right here. So if you want to unpack and just stock your clothes in the drawer, then you could go ahead and do so. You have 2 bins right here. So one is for recycling, one is a regular bin. You have another lamp right here. So if you need to read, you know, you could just sit right here and use it, or for whatever other purpose. So to turn it on, you go like this, you just tap it. And then if you want it to be darker, you tap it one more time. And if you want it to be much darker, you tap it one more time. And if you want to turn it off, you tap it again. And then this is an ice bucket. So I'm going to show you where you can get the ice. So essentially each floor has this section where, you know, you could just grab your ice. So like I said, I'm going to show you that section. So this is the ice bucket, and this is what the inside is looking like. This is the bag that they give you to put the ice in, and then you will just fix it in the ice bucket, and then you can keep it covered. Make sense? And then they also give you a cup. You get a welcome note, the remote right there, this little thing with a pen and paper. You have the TV right here. It's a nice TV, nice size, I should say. Then you have this thing that you can use to make your coffee, of course, or your tea, or if you need hot water, whatever it is that you need. Then you have this little thing that has coffee. So you have the regular coffee, you have the decaffeinated coffee as well. They give you creamer, sugar, they also give you tea. Alright, so here's also another drawer. And inside the drawer, you know, they have a Bible. Just in case you left your Bible, you could just read this one in the meantime, which I think is nice, you know. I like the fact that they're including God. Alright, so right here you have the fridge. This is what inside the fridge looks like. Inside the king room, you also have a sofa. Whatever you need this little table for, you have it right here, you can use. And then let me just show you the view. It's not really much of a view because, like I said, just said before, you know, the trees blocking everything. So it's not really much of a view because, yeah, the tree ruined it. And then, of course, you have the lamp right here. You have the telephone right here. So just in case you need to call front desk, you pick it up and you dial 0. Got it? And you have another lamp right here. And you have this thing right here. You know, you use it to control the heat and also the AC. That's it for the room tour, guys. I really and truly hope that it was super beneficial. So now I'm going to show you where you can get the ice. Come along with me. This is where you can get the ice on each floor. Right where they show you where you can find your room, it's like literally right beside it. So you see, this is where they show you where to walk to go to your room, and you can get the ice right there. So it's pretty close by. So this is the machine that produces the ice. They have a bin right here and also a vending machine.